Hello, my name is Andy Sullivan. Join me for an abbreviated demonstration on how to restart an industrial furnace. We will be using a 3D virtual reality furnace simulation that I built in Second Life that is open to the public, free, and ready for you to use right now. The link to get there is in the description.
Here we are. Let's head to the operator shelter and review some resources available to you. This is the operating manual. It contains the detailed information you need to understand this equipment and safely operate it. We can see on the burner management system panel that the main fuel trip has been activated by this red light. We can also see that the pilot stayed on with these green lights. Silence the alarms so we are not distracted. We need to secure the facility and put it in a safe condition promptly. First, verify that the fuel gas deadman has gone closed, isolating fuel from the furnace like it should have. That's the red valve here, and when we zoom in, you can see that the indicator indicating the valve position is all the way down at the 0% mark. Next, close the quarter turn valves to block fuel from each of the 4 burners. The valves are closed when the handle is perpendicular to the pipe. The blue valves are fuel gas. The orange valves are pilot gas. The pilot stayed in, and so we will leave the pilot valves open. Verify pilots have stayed in as the boiler management system indicated. We'll do that by zooming into the viewport in the firebox, and we can observe that each of the 4 burners has a pilot lit. The furnace is secured with fuel blocked. Determine and resolve the cause of the trip. We can see several alarms on the panel. The low pass flow alarm would not be expected unless there was an interruption in oil flow, and most trips would not cause this alarm. It is a good place to start troubleshooting. We will balance the pass flows to target rates on these pass balancing valves to resolve the cause of the trip. You can see this valve opens when I pull the hand wheel toward me, and you can observe that the pass flow is increasing. $6,000 barrels a day on the west pass, and let's check the east pass. They're balanced. We are ready to commence restart. Open the stack damper 100% on manual. Set the fuel gas fireman to 10% on manual. Open all the burner registers to 100%. Reset the burner management system. We'll also acknowledge any alarms. Reset the main fuel gas deadman. Verify that the deadman valve opens when we reset it. We'll watch the red valve position here as we click the reset valve. The valve went open. Double check that a pilot is in the burner you are about to light. The burner has a pilot. We'll open the quarter turn valve to the burner. Verify the flame is stable, not oscillating or lifting off the burner tip. Repeat a second burner, keeping fire balanced around the furnace. Work firing rate up to a target temperature of 600 degrees Fahrenheit, being mindful of the high pressure trip. Add burners as necessary to keep fuel pressure normal. Place the coil outlet temperature on control in auto when near target temperatures. When we see that we're pretty close to our set point, I'm going to go ahead and put this controller on auto. And now this controller will slowly adjust the output, the position of the valve, to control our temperature. Optimize stack O2 to target 3.5% when firing rate is normal and operations are stable. Place the stack O2 controller on auto when near target. Please explore these facilities, try your hand at starting up the furnace, and let me know in the comments if you have questions or suggestions. Thank you.